I welcome you to this lesson. My name is Teacher John Atemi. I'm going to teach you Science Primary 4. This is our lesson 2, Primary 4, Term 1. The topic is plant life. And last time we looked at, we said plants are divided into two major groups. We have flowering plants and non-flowering plants. And let me hope that you have already got your Science Term 1 booklets for P4, because if you have those booklets, it's going to be very, very easy for you to follow our lessons. So if you have not acquired one, please rush to school and get one. Today we're going to look at parts of a leaf. Last time we looked at parts of a flowering plant. And one of the parts of a flowering plant is a leaf. A leaf like this one here. This one is a leaf, and it's a part of a flowering plant. So today we are going to look at parts of a leaf. A leaf has so many parts. So we're going to draw our leaf. Because you're at home, you can run outside and get a leaf also, like mine. This one is what we're going to look at today. Parts of a leaf. You're going to begin by learning how to draw a leaf. Drawing a leaf is very simple. You just need to have the techniques of learning how to draw a leaf. For example, this is how I usually draw my leaf. Like that. Simple. Then you put the veins like that. You can put some stomata like that. We shall begin by labeling. We shall label this part. That part here. Shall also label this part. We have this part. Then we have that part. We also have that part. Which other part? Shall have add this one, then this one. Now, this part is called leaf base. Leaf base. This one is leaf stalk. Then this one is midrib. Some people call it leaf margin. Midrib or main leaf, main vein. Main vein. This one is leaf margin. Then stomata. Then this one is apex. Apex. Then in that part there, it's called lamina. lamina. Some people call it leaf blade. Leaf blade or lamina. That is the name given to, that's how we name parts of a leaf. I've said this part is called leaf base. Leaf base. This one is leaf stalk. Then we have midrib or leaf or main vein. Then this one here, we call it leaf margin. We have stomata, then we have the apex. Then this way we have what we call lamina. Lamina is also known as leaf blade. Leaf blade is also known as lamina. Now, this one brings us back to, before that, then we have this part called vein. These ones are called veins. Veins. Now, if you look at this leaf here, this leaf I'm holding in my hands, this part here is called, this part where I'm holding, where I'm pointing with my finger, we call it leaf base. It is called leaf base. It's the one which attaches the leaf either on the branch or on a plant. We call it leaf base. It is called leaf base. This part here is called leaf base. Leaf base. Then, where I'm holding, we call this one leaf stalk. All this one is called leaf stalk. Leaf stalk. I said this one is called leaf base. It attaches the leaf either to the branch or to the plant. Then this one is called leaf stalk. Then this leaf, we have veins. This one is called midrib or main vein. Midrib. Then this midrib has small veins coming from it. Small veins are coming from the midrib going to different parts of the leaf. These veins, they distribute water and mineral salts in a leaf. Then we have stomata. Stomata, we cannot see stomata with our naked eyes. We need a microscope. Then we have leaf margin. The leaf margin are the edges of a leaf. Edges of a leaf are the ones we are calling leaf margin. Then this part which is pointed, sharp and pointed, this one here is called apex. This one here is called apex. Apex, it is used for protection. Apex is used for protection. So those are the parts that we have labeled here. You say these are the leaf base, leaf stalk, midrib, main vein, leaf margin, stomata, apex, veins, and lamina. So the next thing you're going to look at is functions of each part of a leaf. 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 So, want to see. The first part you want to look at is leaf base. Leaf base. You underline. We say a leaf base attaches the leaf to the branch. It attaches the leaf. It attaches the leaf to the branch or stem. It attaches the leaf to the branch or stem. Number 2 is leaf stalk. Leaf stalk. You underline it. The leaf stalk transports water and mineral salts from the branch to the leaf. It transports water and mineral salts. Transports water and mineral salts from the branch to the leaf. It transports water and mineral salts. It transports water and mineral salts from the branch to the leaf. For example, if this is the branch and this is the leaf, this leaf stalk is going to transport water and mineral salts from this branch to the leaf. So it will transport water from the branch, water and mineral salts from the branch to the leaf. So water and mineral salts move through the leaf stalk. That's why we are saying it transports water and mineral salts from the branch to the leaf. Then, if you look at leaf base, we said it attaches the leaf in the branch. It attaches the leaf on the branch. Next, we look at midrib. 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 This midrib is also known as main vein. Midrib, also known as main vein. Midrib, also known as main vein. Its work is to transport water and mineral salts from the leaf stalk to other parts of a leaf. It transports water and mineral salts. Transports water and mineral salts from the leaf stalk to the leaf. From the leaf stalk to the leaf. The midrib or the main vein transports water and mineral salts from the leaf stalk to the leaf or to the different parts of a leaf. That's how the midrib is important. Then next we look at veins. 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 This is number 3. Number 4, we look at veins. They distribute. They distribute water and mineral salts. They distribute water and mineral salts to all parts of the leaf. They distribute water and mineral salts. They distribute water and mineral salts. Distribute water and mineral salts to all parts of a leaf. That's how veins are important. They distribute water and mineral salts to all parts of the leaf. Then we have stomata. 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 They are used for breathing. They are used for breathing. Now, I said stomata cannot be seen with the naked eyes. They have to be seen with the help of a microscope. But they are there. They are used for breathing. They also help with transpiration. They help in transpiration. In P3, you looked at what transpiration is. Transpiration is the process by which plants lose water in the atmosphere in form of water vapor. Transpiration is a process by which plants lose water in the atmosphere in form of water vapor. So, that water that plants lose, they come out through structures called stomata. That's why we are saying stomata help in transpiration. Then they are also used for breathing. Next we have lamina. Number 6 we have lamina. This lamina is also known as leaf blade. Leaf blade. It is where photosynthesis takes place, or it helps plants to make food. It helps plants. It helps plants to make food. It helps plants to make food, or you can say it helps plants. It is where photosynthesis takes place. You can say that also. It is where photosynthesis takes place. So, lamina has 2 functions. One, it helps plants to make food, or you can say it's where photosynthesis takes place. Examiners usually like asking questions like, which part of a leaf does photosynthesis take place? The answer would be lamina or leaf blade. It's the only part of a plant where photosynthesis takes place. Where photosynthesis takes place. Now, after these parts of a leaf, there is an activity which you are supposed to answer. The activity is on page number 4. So you open your page 4, answer that activity about parts of a leaf. Next, you look at leaf venation. Leaf venation. Leaf venation. Leaf venation. Leaf venation is the arrangement of veins in a leaf. Leaf venation is the arrangement of veins in a leaf. Leaf venation is the arrangement. Leaf venation is the arrangement of veins in a leaf. Leaf venation is the arrangement of veins in a leaf. Then we look at types of leaf venation. Before we look at the types of leaf venation, we'll say leaf venation is the arrangement of veins in a leaf. Now I want you to get a leaf there at home and try to observe. You find that from the main vein or from the midrib, there are other smaller veins that run through the leaf. That's what we call leaf venation, the arrangement of veins in a leaf. Or you can get this one, which has parallel leaf venation. Also, veins are arranged in a leaf in a parallel manner. And this is what we call leaf venation. It's the arrangement of veins in a leaf. Then we have types of leaf venation. 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 One, we have what called parallel leaf venation. Parallel leaf venation. Then number 2, we have network leaf venation. Network leaf venation. Parallel leaf venation and network leaf venation. Those are the 2 types of leaf venation. Parallel leaf venation and network leaf venation. Now, with parallel leaf venation, the word parallel, in mathematics you learn about, I don't know whether P4 in mathematics you learn about parallel lines. Yes, you learn about parallel lines, and you say parallel lines, these are lines that do not meet. They move in the same direction, but they don't meet. For example, these ones are parallel lines. They are parallel lines. They don't meet, but they are moving in the same direction. So, if you look at parallel leaf venation, veins are arranged in such a way that these veins are moving in the same direction. Veins are moving in the same direction. That's why they are called parallel leaf venation. Like this one here. This one is an example of parallel leaf venation. These veins are moving from down. They move up to the apex, from the stalk, leaf stalk, up to the apex. From the leaf stalk, up to the apex. From the leaf stalk, up to the apex. This one is called parallel leaf venation. So you're going to draw a diagram showing parallel leaf venation. parallel leaf venation. Parallel leaf venation. You're going to draw a diagram to show parallel leaf venation. So, this one is an example of parallel leaf venation. This one is a leaf stalk. These are veins. Then this is the apex. Apex. Then we have examples of plants with parallel leaf venation. 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 Those plants are commonly found in the environment, even at home. And the first example we shall give is grass. Grass. We have maize plants. Maize plants. Millet plants. Millet plants. We have rice plants. Then number 5 we have sorghum. And wheat. Even barley. All these are examples of plants with parallel leaf venation. Then lastly, we look at network leaf venation. Network leaf venation. Network leaf venation. Network leaf venation. Network leaf venation shall have a diagram drawn. Be like this. Then we have veins move like that. These ones, an example of network leaf venation. We have plants with network leaf venation. For example, we have beans, soya beans, mango plants, oranges, jackfruit plants. All those plants have network leaf venation. Examples of plants with network leaf venation. That's where we are going to stop. Examples of plants with network leaf venation. Network venation. Said beans, groundnuts, coffee, oranges, mangoes, etc. Those are examples of plants with network leaf venation. Next, there is an activity. After this lesson, there is an activity which you are supposed to answer. So today you have two activities. One, the first activity was about parts of a leaf. The first activity was parts of a leaf. After parts of a leaf, there's an activity you're supposed to answer. That's on page 4. Then there's another activity that you are supposed to answer on page 5 about types of leaf venation. So make sure that the activity is answered correctly. Then when we meet in the next lesson, we shall look at types of leaves. The next lesson, we shall look at types of leaves. So make sure you acquire the booklet, and the booklets are ready at school. Come and buy so that you can follow these lessons for you to understand very, very well. Thank you for being attentive and listening to me. God bless you.